Brakes off. Half throttle there.
See what it does.
That's hands off.
Might have to slow it down a little bit more.
Huh?
You might have to slow it down a little bit more.
For the smoke?
Just ease into it.
Yeah. Keep it tight, Bing. The sheriff will be coming up the hill. Did you ever have smoke on any of your prop airplanes?
Yeah.
Keep it tight, Bing. Well, that one broke my neck. All right, you know why it's doing that?
Why?
Okay, if you had a little UAT, just like on your fuel system, it won't do that. And what it does, it grabs air bubbles when you're upside down, particularly when you're getting low on smoke.
Yeah, I was just going to leave it on to see how.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah. See how long
It's
it
a
lasts.
24-ounce tank.
See how long it lasts. You may be out. Well, get a little of it. That looks good. Tank's lasting pretty good, guys. The only time you lose it is when you're going inverted. Looks like it's running out now. I'd shut your pump off if you can.
Yeah, it's off now.
Okay.
We're going vertical.
Well, you're out of the box. Look at him. 4 minutes. Where'd you learn that trick? Oh yeah. That's a sweet airplane.
How much time do I got?
3.5 minutes. Keep a little tighter, Bink.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy man, he's gone. Let me keep my mouth shut before I jinx it.
We'll do a gear pass here.
Landing gear down.
Now all you need is lights on this truck.
You love pretty money, don't you?
Flaps landing position.
Boy, Yoda. All right.